Welcome to the Salesforce Apex tutorial series where we will take you on an exciting journey to master the power of Apex development in Salesforce. Whether you are a beginner exploring the world of Salesforce or an experienced developer looking to expand your skill, this series is designed to equip you with the knowledge and tool you need to excel in Apex. Throughout this series, we will cover everything from basic Apex series data types to advanced topics like trigger web services and unit testing. We will cover hand-on tutorial, helpful tips and practical insight to ensure your success. So get ready to dive into the real-world coding example and take yourself first development skill to next height. Subscribe to our channel and join us on this exciting Salesforce Apex adventure.